Meaning of discourse.
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 Discourse. Discourse refers to a written or spoken communication that involves a discussion or conversation on a particular topic. It can be a formal or informal exchange of ideas between individuals or groups. The outcome of discourse can range from the sharing of knowledge to the resolution of conflicts and the development of new ideas. Discourse can also shape and influence attitudes, beliefs and behaviors of individuals or society as a whole. In short, discourse is a powerful tool for communication, collaboration, and social change.